And Chicago Vocational.
You tell Pat to get here to Smitty.
Dunbar will kick off and defend the south goal. The Cavaliers will receive. Number 43, Rashawn Harvey will kick off for the Mighty Men. Number 7, Marcus Pope, and number 28, Chris McDonald are deep to receive. We are underway. McDonald at the 5. McDonald brought down across his 20-yard line.
Yeah, I'm on. Man, split. They should be in wide under. They should be in wide under.
This is Andreas Bingham.
He just threw that up.
His pass falls incomplete.
Long cover. They stand in white.
Intended.
Did you hear me say?
They should be wide under.
The give is to the fullback, Kenneth Gugis.
Get out there, There you go.
Once again, the fullback Gugis carried. Number 1, Bruce McKinney will punt for CVS.
It's 11.
They should get that. Oh, if he comes at an angle, that's blocked.
Pick it up.
The ball is fielded at the Dunbar 36. The return man is hit immediately by number 4.
My name is 16.
This is Dewan Williams. He was hit hard as he crossed the line of scrimmage.
6'2" again. Right there, 6'2".
Once again, Williams, the ball carrier, brought down near his 40. And 5. Landon Turner, the fullback, carries first down Dunbar. Brought down in midfield.
When he comes down towards us, number 1 is stuck. 34 is coming. The safety's making the sack.
Devon Williams inside the 35, correction, the 45 of the Cavaliers. Landon Turner carries, breaks it at the 30, down at the 20, inside the 15, and tackle near the 10-yard line. Devon Williams, the tailback, carried on the counter.
They're trying to send one of the guards down in the gap, defensive guards in the gap, and linebacker loose.
This is Turner.
Down to the 1-yard line now.
Down inside the CVS 2-yard line, yard for a first down.
Wide open. That's the goal linebacker down in the line. They just blew him out.
Turner stacked up at the line of scrimmage.
It might be a first down.
It is first and goal, Dunbar. From the 1 yard.
They moved down.
Landon Turner, touchdown Dunbar. Penalty marker down. There is a penalty on the play.
It's on us.
We have holding against Dunbar. Devon Williams, driven out of bounds near the 7.
Okay, they stayed at 6'2". It's good.
Run.
Landon Turner, the fullback, carried.
What's that player's foot?
Take it in.
This is Devon Williams, stacked up near the 5. Gang tackle there.
We're not getting a good seat. We're not getting a good seat. Look at
Devon Williams, he is stopped short of the goal line. CVS has held. They will take over on down. McDonald, the halfback, carried.
Okay, watch that pass, number 5. Number 5.
Bingham, almost intercepted, incomplete. Number 30, Jawan Williams, and number 41, Ramon Robinson, deep to receive for the Mighty Men.
Get away, get away, get away, get away.
The kick takes a Dunbar bounce and is down near.
Come on, baby, run it down the throat.
This is Jawan Williams inside the 30.
Good game, good game, good game. Which one?
This is Bonaparte,
Sean is
incomplete. Intent. London Turner, still on his feet, dragged out at the 15 of CVS.
That's right, representing LCP.
The pitch to Jawan Williams. Williams inside the 10-yard line, dragged down near the 6.
Watch the gap. 6'2".
This is Arthur Brewer, touchdown Dunbar. Will go for 2. No play, penalty, marker down.
Play a game.
We have delay of game against Dunbar. This is Derek Bonaparte. This pass is cast by Williams. The conversion is good. Number 43, Rashawn Harvey will kick off for the Mighty Men. Number 7, Marcus Pope, and number 28, Chris McDonald are deep to receive. McDonald fielded the ball at the 13. The ball is off. Here's a free ball. Chicago Vocational has recovered. Cavaliers ball. Timeout on the field. Timeout, Chicago. First down, Cavaliers from the Chicago Vocational 20-yard line.
Go get him.
The pitch to Cassius Chambers, hit hard near the line of scrimmage by number 43, the linebacker Rashawn Harvey, the first quarter of tonight's game. With the score, Dunbar 8, Chicago Vocational nothing. As the second quarter begins, 2nd and 10, CVS from their own 20. This is Bingham. His pass is almost intercepted by number 30. 3rd and 10. This is Cassius Chambers, brought down after a short gain. And 41, Ramon Robinson are deep to receive. Timeout on the field. Timeout. Once again, McKinney deep to punt. Cassius Chambers crosses the 50 into Dunbar territory. 2nd and 4. This is Marcus Pope, close to a first down. The give is to the halfback, Cassius Chambers. Once again, Cassius Chambers carries, brought down near the 35-yard line. Number 7. Once again, Chambers carries, driven out of bounds near the 20-yard line of Dunbar.
You got to zone leads. Down 3 points down. You got up.
This is Pope.
Hold it!
Gang tackle near the 15 of Dunbar.
You got Arthur standing up as he backed up out of there.
This is Chambers, brought down after a short game. Cassius Chambers carried. He is stopped short of the first down. This is Pope. He has the first down. Tackle by the linebacker.
Reverse.
Cassius Chambers inside the 5-yard line. Hit by 43. Chambers. Touchdown, Chicago Vocational. It's high. Tackled in his backfield for a loss. He was brought down by number 20. Number 1, Bruce McKinney will kick off. Number 30, DeJuan Williams, and number 21, Eddie Lewis are deep to receive. It is fielded by Arthur Brewer at his 24, crosses his 30. The give is to DeJuan Williams. Williams is stopped after a short gain. We have timeout on the field. This is Landon Turner.
Go, baby!
First down, Dunbar. 48. First down. Arthur Brewer carries on the counter. Landon Turner carried 38. This is DeJuan Williams, the tailback, stopped short of the first down. 4th and 5 from the 47 of CVS. Landon Turner carried. timeout remaining. Marcus Pope carries. Brought down by number. Once again, this is Pope. Penalty marker down. Pope dragged down inside the 45 of Dunbar. That would be enough for a first down. Tackle by number 26, defensive end Charles Hudson. We have holding against Chicago Vocational. The ball is moved all the way back to the 41, 2nd and 12.
Go get him, baby. Go get him. Go get him.
This is Andreas Bingham. His pass goes out of bounds, incomplete. Intended for number 7, Marcus Pope. Ramon Robinson, our deep to receive. Penalty marker down. Wave off on the flag, no penalty. Once again, McKinney deep to punt. Williams signals fair catch at his 35-yard line. That was... Derek Bonaparte, incomplete. It's had. Bonaparte throws, incomplete. Once again, it was intended for number 30. Penalty marker down, no play. The preliminary signal is... Derek Bonaparte. This pass overthrown, intended for Harvey. And ladies and gentlemen, that will conclude the first half of tonight's game. The score at halftime: Dunbar 8, Chicago Vocational 6. Number 30, Jawan Williams, and number 21, Eddie Lewis, are deep to receive for the Mighty Men.
That's not what they do practice.
This is Williams at the 10. Hit immediately. He was knocked down by number 40, Shannon Perkins. Landon Turner, the fullback carry. This is the tailback to Ron Williams. Drive down across the 30. First down, Dunbar. Landon Turner, the ball carrier. Jawan Williams, first down, Dunbar. He was hit hard by number 42. Landon Turner stopped short of midfield.
Yeah, but there was a big hole there. There was a natural hole because they didn't use it.
Devon Williams, the tailback carried.
About 63, Tucker Kenny got to stay on those goddamn
Grab the guy next throw. Straight up the gut. There you go.
Landon Turner, he is close to a Dunbar first down.
ran into the track man, don't run into him, run up in the inside of him. That's all he has to do. Run into him.
Derek Bonaparte, this pass is incomplete. Intended for number 30 to Derek Bonaparte goes for a 32. Bonaparte, his pass falls incomplete. Intended for Harvey. Rashad Harvey will kick off. 7 Marcus Pope and 28 Chris McDonald are deep for Chicago Vocational. This is Pope at the 5. At the 15. Cassius Chambers, brought down by number 99, Robert Hooks. There's a finger on the play. Derek Bonaparte, it is complete to Landon Turner. Drags a tackle with him inside the 10-yard line. Landon Turner once again carries. Gang tackle.
He wasn't gang tackle. He's not running. He hit it. He's not hitting it.
He'd be gone.
Landon Turner, he is in. Touchdown, Dunbar. Once again, it is Landon Turner. He is in again. The conversion is good. With 6 minutes and 3 seconds to go. Rashawn Harvey will kick off for Dunbar. Number 7, Marcus Pope, and number 28, Chris McDonald are deep to receive. Harvey's kick bounces out of bounds. Penalty, marker flies. Cassius Chambers.
Watch the counter.
Marcus Pope carries. Stopped at the line of scrimmage. Hit by number 42, Arthur. This is Cassius Chambers, hit by Rashawn Harvey, and by number 27, Robinson, are deep to receive. The Cavaliers down the ball and about the... football foul, a personal foul against Dunbar. Timeout on the field. This is Deron Williams. The give was to the fullback, Landon Turner. Deron Williams hit hard near the first down marker, driven back. Timeout on the field. Penalty marker down. Delay of game. This is Deron Williams. Crosses the 45. No gain. Bonaparte. Incomplete. Intended for Williams.
First down.
Landon Turner carries.
Give it to your money, man.
In the third quarter.
They're on the side. Block. Block.
Deron Williams
Got the boom.
from the 47. No play, no play. Penalty marker down.
There's that.
Delay of game against Dunbar.
He's moving away. He's moving away. Okay, they got one on Sean.
No play. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the third quarter of tonight's game. With the score, Dunbar 22, Chicago Vocational 6.
They got confused on that one.
Second and 11. The pitch to Deron Williams. Dragged down inside Chicago Vocational territory. Bonaparte. It is incomplete. Incomplete. Intended for Deron Williams. There is a penalty marker down.
He didn't even look his way. He just ran like a jump ball.
We have holding against Dunbar.
10 out there.
We're short a guy.
Timeout on the field. Timeout. Once again, 43, Harvey is deep to punt. This time, number 25 by Sean Bowie is deep to receive.
Get that ball.
Touchback. A 48-yard punt by Harvey with no return.
Go back to jump ball. Power foul.
Number 28, Chris McDonald carry. Cassius Chambers dropped at the line of scrimmage.
I ain't gotta say nothing about it.
This is Andreas Bingham. First down, Chicago Vocational. Hit hard by the linebacker 33, Rashawn Harvey. Andreas sideline.
Where you go, Sal?
There's a penalty marker down. Still first down. First and 22.
Watch 5. Trying to watch 5 coming out that backfield. Don't go to 5.
The mouthpiece in that boy's quarterback's mouth.
No play.
No mouth.
Penalty marker down. Dead ball foul. Encroachment against Dunbar.
Watch 5 in the flat.
This is McDonald. With his necktie dragged down near the 30. This is Cassius Chambers. Chambers' pass is caught by Bingham, the quarterback. Brought down near the 38-yard line by
Oh, he's going to clock number 5, get the ball. Look for number 5. Look for number 5.
Andreas Bingham. Bingham is sacked. There's a penalty marker on the play. Holding against CVS. McKinney was hit out of bounds by Javon Williams, number 30. He is short of the first down. Derek Bonaparte. Fires incomplete. Penalty marker flies. It was intended for number 80. Bill Irwin. There is pass interference against the Cavaliers. That's it. Javon Williams carried on the counter. Landon Turner carries up the middle. 5 seconds to go in the game. Bonaparte. This pass is complete to Javon Williams. Driven out of bounds. That was a 7-yard completion from Bonaparte.